Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a payment method to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your customers can pay you directly from the invoices you send. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, move your cursor to the top left of the screen and hover over the Create menu. This is the spot where you start new transactions. When the menu expands, choose Invoice. QuickBooks will open a fresh invoice form where you can enter your customer, terms, and line items. Even if you're just testing this out, it's fine to use a draft invoice so you can focus on enabling payments first. With the invoice open, look to the top right area of the page for the Manage option. This area controls how your invoice behaves, including the payment experience your customer will see. Click Manage to open the related settings for this invoice. Inside the panel that appears, select Payment Options. This is where you choose which payment methods you'll accept on this invoice. Typically, you'll see options for credit or debit cards and bank transfers. Turning these on adds a Pay button to the online version of your invoice, making it faster for customers to settle up. If you charge convenience fees or have specific policies, review those in your accounting practices before enabling options here, so everything stays consistent with your terms. If you see a button labeled Set Up or Manage, click it. This takes you to the place where you connect or adjust your QuickBooks payment settings. If you've already set up your payment account, you can fine-tune the methods you accept. If you're setting it up for the first time, you'll be guided through providing your business and bank details so QuickBooks can route funds to the right place. Take a moment to confirm that the bank account shown is the one you want to receive deposits into. Once your payment settings look right, return to your invoice. Your chosen payment methods now apply to this invoice, and your customer will be able to use them when they open the invoice online. If you work with different customer preferences, you can revisit these same payment options anytime you create or edit an invoice to adjust what you accept. If Manage or Payment options aren't visible, make sure you're viewing an invoice form and that your user role has permission to manage payments. Keeping your browser up to date and using an incognito window can also help if something doesn't load as expected. That's it. Your invoice now supports convenient built-in payment methods in QuickBooks Online.